Hello everyone, this is your friend Nirav Modha and welcome to my channel. I love electricity and I will make you powerful. What is today's topic? Today's topic is all about walking through the softwares used in a renewable energy sector. So this was again one of the question asked from one of you guys, and you wanted to know that which are the softwares being used in renewable energy, since you would like to pursue your career in renewable energy and would like to learn which are the softwares being used and gain some skills in that. And absolutely that's a very good idea to start learning the well-known tools which are being used in your industry. So if I talk about the key software being used, I can categorize it into five different things according to their usage and their functionality, right? So as you can see on my screen, it can be classified as the tools being used under design and simulation. Number two, it can also be categorized as the tools being used for data analysis and visualization. Number three would be project management and finance. Number four would be GIS, geographic information system. And number five would be machine learning and artificial intelligence. So the tools which are following under this machine learning and AI, these are emerging and not so crucial as on date for the development of the renewable energy sector, right? But still, I would like to cover this because moving forward, there will be huge demand in this area. So let's start for each and every category. And if I start with design and simulation, the very first software which is being used, which is very common in this industry, is known as Homer, HOMER, which stands for Hybrid Optimization Model for Multiple Energy Resources. Okay, now what this tool is all about, let's take some glimpse of it. It can model and optimize microgrids, hybrid power system, and grid connected projects for maximum efficiency, cost saving, and revenue. So this gives you an end to end solution, what you need to know in terms of how your power system will be working, uh, what would be the performance when it is connected to the grid, what would be the efficiency, how much would be the cost savings, and what would be the revenue. So it covers your technical aspect and your financial aspects also. Okay, and next we'll move on to SAM, the system advisor model. Okay, and what does it do? It simulates the performance and economics of solar, wind, geothermal, biomass, and hydro energy system in various contexts. So SAM is also one of the tool which is being widely used in different technologies like solar, wind, geothermal, biomass, and hydro energy systems in various contexts. Okay, and that's also helping you in doing the basic engineering and also calculating the other parameters of your system. Moving forward, we have PV system. So PV system is majorly focusing on the performance of photovoltaic systems, helps you to identify and yield the losses and optimize the shading and manage the degradation. Very specific use, but very powerful tool, I would say. And this could be also one of your choice if you are interested in engineering of photovoltaic system, right? Windographer. Windographer also can analyze and visualize wind resource data to evaluate site suitability and potential energy production. And windographer is one of the tool which can give you, the quality of the wind, what would be the direction, other technical aspects, and how appropriate it would be for your project, or the site which has been selected whether it is really suitable for the wind power plant. So that's all about windographer. And another similar tool which is used is OpenWind, open source wind turbine simulation and analysis tool for design optimization and performance assistance. So these were the five tools which are used for doing the designing and engineering of the entire project, right? And they have their own specific applications, and similarly they are used. But if you are a beginner, if you want to learn any one or two tool, I would recommend that you should start with Homer. Okay, now let's move on to data analysis and visualization. Right from the start of the project to the end, and beyond that to the operation and maintenance, you continuously need your data to be analyzed and visualized to make some key decisions in the project. Okay, and who can help you? So Python pandas, uh, matplotlib and seaborn, these are the tools which can be used. R&R Studio and Power BI, Tableau, and Google Data Studio. So, if you want to learn, if you are having keen interest in data analysis, okay, then I would recommend you to learn Power BI or either Tableau and Google Data Studio. Well, you can also start learning all three of them, as they have gained much popularity in data analysis. But Power BI and Tableau is must, I would say. Okay, then comes the SCADA. Now SCADA, you already must be knowing it, supervisory control and data acquisition system. It gathers all the key important factors of the plant, and it is being integrated in one system called human machine interface, where you can visualize the entire data of the running plant. Okay, so that's all about data analysis and visualization. And you can learn the SCADA and the Power BI and Tableau, as I already mentioned. Moving forward, there are few tools which are also being used in project management and finance. It can be categorized further into two categories: whether you want to just streamline the project planning, execution, and collaboration, then MS Projects and Jira would be the best tool. And if you want to calculate the project cost, the returns, and feasibility check, then there are other tools like the financial modeling tools. Also Excel you can use, and other specialized tools are there which you can use for this purpose. The fourth category, as I said, is GIS, Geographic Information System. Now this is again falling under the feasibility test, and these tools are being used to check how suitable the location, the site is for your project, and that's called the Geographic Information System. And under this we have ArcGIS, QGIS. It analyzes spatial data to assess resource potential, site suitability, and environmental impacts. Okay, a very very specific purpose, but again a very powerful tool in the projects, because this kind of projects are mostly outdoor projects, and these all would be a key factor to analyze before starting any project, right? Last but not least, machine learning and artificial intelligence, one of my favorite topic. And then we have TensorFlow, PyTorch. So develop AI models for predictive maintenance, anomaly detection, energy generation, forecasting, and grid optimization. Nowadays everybody wants the seamless operations, right? And for that, predictive maintenance is the only way out. You ensure that the system is not having any shutdown because of the machine failure, and for that you need a very accurate data which can tell you when the predictive maintenance of any equipment is required. what kind of failure could come in future, right? By just seeing the behavior of the machine, and AI can tell you that these could be the probability of the failures coming in the future. And that's how the predictive maintenance works, right? So now what we'll do is we will go to the website of Homer and we will see what kind of opportunity they are providing us. Okay, so that's the Homer website. And as I can see that, in the training in Homer software and analysis section, there are two different categories they have identified, that whether you are an individual or you are interested in this tool as an organization. So right now, as I already said, that I would like to learn as an individual, and therefore I would select this tab. And if I go here, they have some options already given: foundation of Homer, introduction to Homer. And let's read what they have written. We offer two options for learning Homer: a 6 hours intensive foundations of Homer course and a 2 hours introduction to Homer course for those who may not need to use Homer on a regular basis but want to understand its basic functionality. Each option is offered with a focus on a particular Homer version, Grid or Pro, right? So, uh, Homer Pro and Homer Grid. So, foundation of Homer Pro. Day 1, it's a 2-hour session, introduction to Homer Pro, presentation, simulation and optimization, demonstration and exercises. And what they cover a model a small community system, simulate a diesel only system, lower cost by adding batteries, build a hybrid mini grid with solar photovoltaics, identify diesel fuel saver, hybrid and 100% renewable designs. Day 2, 2 hours again, refining your design, demonstration and exercise. Day 3, 2 hours, modeling larger system, demonstration and exercise. Okay, you can register for this course. And similarly, they have the program for Homer Grid. The fee is somewhere around $500 per person. Location, it will be online course with live instructor in a group class. For in-person option, visit their website, training for organizations page. And what would be the prerequisite? Current license for the appropriate product. The course length would be 6 hours, 3 sessions, 2 hours each, right? So that's all about the Homer program. You can definitely visit their website, and you can talk to their representative, right? And try to gain some more knowledge on it. And yeah, um, this could be, one of the best tool you can learn if you are really interested in renewable energy. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this will help you in gaining the knowledge of which are the major softwares being used in the industry, and which tools you can focus, what is the purpose. And also don't forget to just see where your interest is and try to select the tool as per your interest and career goal. Thank you very much for watching till the end. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe it. See you in the next video. Signing off, Nirav Modha. Bye.